my first ride with the GET ECU and injector relocation kit on, and I'm impressed so far. I'd like to start by saying a huge thank you to Mike at Takamoto for supplying this kit for test and review purposes. Takamoto is based in Las Vegas and is focused on supplying performance parts and accessories for KTM off-road motorcycles. I'll put a link to their web shop in the description of the video. Beautiful day today. We're at Hino Hard Enduro course where I did a race a couple of weeks ago. Really nice course, perfect weather. Lugging it up here. Looks well. Just testing out the traction control. I've got it on map 2. I've set it to the maximum traction control, number 10, and I was actually surprised at the difference you're just wheeling. When I had it on map 1 full power and gave it wide open throttle, I was getting a lot of wheel spin. So yeah, I'm a believer. It actually works. Now try map 1.
Quite different.
Yeah. It still pulls really well with the traction control on.
Yeah. When I watched you, when you had the traction control on, you could see the tire didn't spin that much.
Right.
When you get to about here, you actually had the same speed both ways.
Yeah.
But in the beginning, you were way faster off with it on.
I think it would make a huge difference in muddy conditions.
Yeah.
Yeah, interesting. log section, everyone's favourite. Sure. First one's quite big. Yeah, it's easy to lift the front wheel now just on the throttle. Much easier than before. That was in second gear. The first time I did it in first gear. So even second gear gets the front wheel up at a walking pace very easily. I remember this section from the race I did a couple of weeks ago, and it's surprisingly steep. I say that because it looks dead flat on the GoPro, and this is very off camber. And then this is very steep down here. I'm gonna cut the engine. Woo! Woo! Now very easy to get the front end up as well. Straight up. And response seems better as well, and the bike can now lug, so definitely a plus. Last bit I just lugged up before it wouldn't lug well at all. I've also tried out the traction control, and I've been surprised how well it works. I'm a bit skeptical, but it doesn't dumb the bike down. It's still wheelie, but it stops the wheel spin. So I'm really keen to try that in really low traction conditions. See how it goes. Right now I'm riding with lap 1, and it feels very strong all the way through, but it's still very smooth. I have a crazy hit anyway. This feels very linear. Although I'm still running the stock setup. Oops, wrong turn. Yeah, the power valve still running in stock setup. Haven't changed anything. I have a video covering the power valve checks I made. So basically checking that the power valve starts to open at 5,500 RPM, and I've still got the stock yellow spring in. So next I think I'm going to try the red spring and how that see how that feels. Now I'm able to adjust the fueling easily. I can make any changes easily if I feel it's too lean. But right now it's running great just on the maps that came pre-programmed, so I'm pleased with that. I will play around with them though, just because it is so easy, and I'll be interested to see what difference it does make. I love having the flexibility of being able to make these changes when necessary. Now a very different bike from when I first got it. I was riding it stock. Very mild neck.